This video I'll be showing you how to earn free cryptocurrency from Forsage. Let's get started. My name is Global TV. I'm a Nigeria-based YouTuber. I do research every day on how to make money online here in Nigeria and all over the world. If you're into this channel, subscribe to the channel, like and comment below what you say about this video. Let's get started. Today's video, we're going to a site called Forsage. I'll put the link in the description below so that you can register. First thing I'm going to do is that in this site you'll be earning 50 gas fee every day. For every day. What you are going to do is that you sign up, you put your username, your email and your password, and you type your password and you click on I'm not your robot. After that you sign up. I log into our own account here. We log into our account. Okay. Make sure you complete this cash out. Okay, log into our account. Yes, in this video you can earn cryptocurrency for free. You can also deposit to even earn more from it. So activate your coin. You go to this here dashboard, you click on this miners. Click on miners. You'll be earning at least 50% every day. But you want to deposit, it is a good platform you can deposit. And you can also earn massive from it. So activate your miners. It's very simple. Those who have watched my video before will understand how to activate miner. Very simple. If you register, you have to activate your miner because very necessary to do that. What you do is that my miner is here. You can activate anyone you want to do. This one is BTC, Bitcoin. This one is DOGE. There are many ones here. This one is Satoshi. You have many ones here, but I'm going for Tron. Yes, this is how to activate your TRS there. You click on this. You want to activate your TRS, you see 10%, 20, 30, 40, depending on which one you want to do. Let's say you want to do many. Let's say you want to do Ethereum and TRS. You can choose Ethereum 20. Okay, but I'm not going for Ethereum. Just make sure you click on one. Okay, this one is TRS here now. You click on it. Click on TRS. You can click on this. Yeah, let me show you. You can click on this. You click it at the end. Make sure it's complete to the end there. Or you click on this 100% here. Yes, that's how to do it. To be mining every day. Are you seeing the 100? Yes. I cannot mine any coin again. I cannot mine any coin again. It will not mine. It will go back. Are you seeing it? It will go back. You can only mine only one coin. And if you want to invest in any coin there, let's say you want to invest in TRS, click on wait. If you want to, you can also reinvest. You can also reinvest there and be getting at least 5% every day from it. It's a new platform. It was launched December, around December. Yeah, today is December 10. It's still a good platform to invest your money there and to pay you good amount of money. If you want to deposit, click on this deposit. This is your deposit TRS there. Click on how much you want to deposit. Let's say you're going for 50 TRX. Click on deposit and make sure you wait. Yes, they will give me an address to deposit. Click on this address. Start clicking on this address. You go to your Trust wallet. Yes, you copy it. Go to your Trust wallet or your Binance or any cryptocurrency you want to use. Deposit 2,500 TRS there. After that, successful. Yes, are you seeing the out deposit there? It's very simple there. It's very simple. To appear in your balance, any deposit you deposit. You can earn anyone. Are you seeing there? Okay. Let's see how people are making money here. Let's just check here. Let's check on the dashboard. Yes, in this site, let's check something. Let's wait. Okay. In their preference, they have earned at least, this is their Bitcoin earnings they have earned. They have trade. It's a trading platform where you put your money there, they will trade it for you. Very easy. This is their trading features here. Okay, this is their trading features. The last 24 hours, this is their trading features. What they have earned so far, this is there. It's very easy to earn here. I think this platform, to earn very fast, you have to deposit. So you have to deposit. I'll be earning 10% from any referrals you refer. Any refer. And you can withdraw anytime you want to withdraw. You can withdraw anytime. You can withdraw. This is the referral there. Yes, you can earn 10% of your referral. You can copy your referral link here. Copy it. Let's go to the calculator here. This calculator here. Yes, this is the amount of shares. This is the amount of coin they have. The company have produced, and people that have invested in it. This is it here. You can also join their Telegram group here. Join their Telegram. Click on this group here. Click on their Telegram group. I'm not joining now. Also, click on their support. You need their support there. You can also email them. And if you learned something new in this video, kindly like this video, comment. If you have ever started this before, comment in the description below. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. And this platform has been in 20 days. Wow, 20 days. Let's check that. We have 20,000 active users, and 20 days they have been launching for 20 days, and they have paid out $6,000. What a nice platform. Yeah, you see here, take full control of your crypto, especially for everyone conveniently. We have developed a system new and very, that's how the system works. And then you can purchase any miner you want to purchase. I show you how to deposit to be mining. And if you want to reinvest again, let me go back to my dashboard there. Yeah, you want to reinvest. Let's say me here, I'm on TRS. Want to reinvest, just click on, okay, yes, you are there now. Want to reinvest, just click on reinvest, put the amount to reinvest successfully. Very simple. Get it? Our amount has changed. That's how it's work here. But if you want to earn very fast here, you can deposit it in, you can leave this TRS there and deposit in another coin and start earning massively. You can earn anywhere out of it. Maybe you want BTC, Litecoin, anyone. If you gain something new in this video, kindly like this video, comment below, and subscribe in this channel. You can also watch some of my videos. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.